Microsoft Studios produces a whole wide range of content for the corporation, from the simplest executive talking heads to full-blown half-hour broadcast television shows.
Microsoft Studios is unusual in that they're actually a combination of a corporate broadcaster and also have a facility here which actually probably rivals that of some quite large public broadcasters.
Channel 80 is essentially a network experience. It's a branded Microsoft network experience that we can run 24/7.
We've had this idea for doing a Microsoft cable network for a number of years, but the major blocking point has really been the technology. The solution now is ITX, where they have basically taken all the functionality of a broadcast master control and have placed it in a PC.
A really good example of how ITX empowers non-traditional broadcasters to become broadcasters is what Microsoft Studios are doing. They generate a huge amount of content and have all the technology to do that. But to be able to actually produce a TV channel from that content up to now has been relatively expensive.
OmniBus has a very robust product line focused in on the world's largest broadcasters. ITX is a whole new way of thinking that enables not only our traditional broadcaster clients, but also enables telcos, mobile broadband providers, ISPs, enter into the wide world of media distribution.
We believe the solution, like many other industries, is to take a software-centric approach and to start using the power of modern processors and operating systems and leveraging that power.
Right now it's really exciting because we're able to truly take all of this content and program a real cable channel. We didn't have to go through any extra steps in the conversion process. We were able to just take all of this different material and just ingest it directly into the system.
This is designed to actually deal with a wide range of file formats so that we don't actually have to spend the time converting. We can take it straight from completion, put it into the tool, and be ready to display. A lot more time creating media and distributing media and less time just moving files around and converting things.
In terms of the hardware footprint, we're reducing drastically the size and number of units that you need to do this, to the point that we can run an entire television channel on a single 1U server. We found that by working with broadcasters who are looking at replacing their traditional systems with ITX, we've been able to save them over 50% in the capital cost and considerably reduce the cost of ownership as well.
In a traditional video automation transmission channel, you have large video servers. Today with ITX, we have standard IT hardware. You can have terabytes that cost less than $1,000.
ITX is infinitely upgradable. It is a software system that can be upgraded just by downloading off of the ITX website.
Open software architectures from Microsoft, advanced chipsets, kind of plug-in software decoders that we have available to us now. That means that we can provide systems to broadcasters that are future-proof, scalable, and highly reliable.
One of the exciting things for us at Microsoft, looking at OmniBus's ITX solution, is what they're able to do in taking traditional hardware and create a software package that delivers what would cost much more to deliver in a normal traditional broadcast environment.
ITX really is the first of what will be a whole wave of new software-based technologies that are going to completely revolutionize the way television is produced and transmitted.
OmniBus ITX brings a level of integration, of ease of use, and a radical reduction in complexity from an engineering perspective as well as from an operational perspective that really enables us to create this new capability for studios.